Chapter 4: Humanity over Religion.
If we live in our oneness heart,
We will feel the essence of all religions, which is the love of God. Forgiveness, compassion, tolerance, brotherhood, and the feeling of oneness are the signs of a true religion. By Sri Chinmoy. Children, do you wish each other on the occasion of different festivals? We all possess different qualities and personalities. The most important qualities that we should have are patience, loyalty, tolerance, and love. Tolerance can be defined as the skills we need to live together peacefully. Hence, tolerance is one of the most important qualities which form the bedrock of a society. In this era of globalization, we all are from different cultures, religions, and backgrounds. We should always keep in our mind that the country where we are living is not a state of any monarch but a democratic country ruled by the people for the people. In the case of religion, we need to be tolerant towards people practicing different religions. Religious harmony in India is a concept that indicates that there is love and brotherhood among different religions in India, and that it can be practiced in all aspects of life. Story Corner. Students of a government primary school came up with a novel idea of promoting brotherhood and communal harmony. The idea was that the children learn about each other's religion and faith and how it is practiced, said Chirag Gemiti, a school teacher. Gemiti said that there were more than 350 children enrolled between Standard 1 and 7 in the school. During Diwali celebrations, all the Muslim children brought sweets and distributed them to their friends. They celebrated together after responsibly bursting crackers and lighting lamps in the school. During Dussehra, a Dandiya dance party was organized in the school premises for the students. Most of the students gathered in the ground to dance together in spite of their religion. For Christmas, the school wore a festive look with bells, streamers, and a beautifully decorated Christmas tree. Several activities such as decorating Christmas trees and stocking, making Christmas cards, and handcrafted bells were organized for the students. The delightful celebration included children coming in red and white party dresses, bringing their favorite food, singing Christmas carols, and sharing the merriment together. Everyone enjoyed themselves thoroughly. Here, efforts are made to celebrate festivals of all religions in the school. It was an inspiration for many other schools and institutions. MySpace. What will be your attitude in helping a person from another religion? What is more important for you? Religion or humanity? Reflection Center. India has been a land of spiritual harmony since the ancient times. Religious freedom, acceptance, and brotherhood are the very essence of India. The country has seen its share of diversity in religions. India allowed various religions to spring from its essence and has accepted and accommodated many faiths. The religious and spiritual traditions of India run more profound than mere faith. Spiritual oneness, the vision that can lead to religious harmony. Spiritual oneness of the whole universe is how India views the way of living. The oneness expands from the individual to family, to society, to the nation, to existence, and to God. We may face many life challenges, so we each need a solid support structure. Family, clans, community, religion, and society serve as this unwavering footing to successfully build our lives. We are interconnected, interrelated, and interdependent. Exploring some pathways to harmony. Number 1. Acceptance. The first step towards arriving at harmony is perhaps acceptance of the belief of others. Acceptance may serve to be more impactful than mere tolerance. One should know about different religions and their traditions, practices, and beliefs. It will promote tolerance and help us accept each other. Number 2. Respect for other faiths. Always respect other religions and their faith. Thus, you will be able to respect all those who belong to other religions. Number 3. Reverential study of other scriptures. Learn good values of your own holy book and try to understand about the scriptures of other religions. All holy books teach good things and lead to truth. Number 4. Celebrate the festivals of all religions. Many of your friends belong to different religions. Try to celebrate all the festivals of different religions with your friends. If possible, visit their houses and wish them. It will strengthen the bond between you and them. Conclusion. Animal, plants, birds, water, celestial bodies, seasons, and even inanimate objects function in perfect synchronicity. In human relationships, we see sorrow and jealousy. To bring about harmony in human relationships, there is a need to develop thoughtfulness and respect between individuals. Man has to be delivered from his own misconception of himself. When he develops respect for the divinity in him, he develops a sense of holiness and his reverence for other human beings increases. Those who are fighting in the name of religion, caste, and God very often forget the basic truth that God has created everyone alike in spite of us being Hindu, Muslim, Christian, etc. We are His own children and everyone is dear to Him. And whatever faith one follows, there is no identifying difference from being a human. Children, if you join your hands together for religious harmony, it will not remain just a dream. You can fulfill it. Book recommendation: The Way to Communal Harmony by Mahatma Gandhi. The Way to Communal Harmony is a compilation of Gandhi's reflections on certain problems which divides mankind. Everywhere in the world, individuals and groups are divided because of fear, suspicion, and hatred. The theme of Gandhiji's teaching is that the individual must rise above fear, jealousy, and hate. When such individuals combine themselves into a community, the problem of communal jealousy and discord will disappear.